we are going to discuss about fully funded scholarships. Scholarships help more students to study. A scholarship helps degree students enter into higher education without dependency on student loan. On the other hand, vast numbers of scholarships are provided for those interested in research like Ph.D. program and also post-doctoral research. List of fully funded scholarships is here. Number 1, British Chevening Scholarship. Number 2, Postgraduate Scholarship by Singapore Food Agency SFA. Number 3, Japanese Government MEXT Scholarship for Young Leaders Program. Number 4, Food Agility CRC Scholarship Ph.D. Federation University Australia. Number 5, Fulbright Foreign Student Scholarship Program USA. Number 1, British Chevening Scholarships. Fully funded, full tuition fee, monthly stipend, airfare ticket, traditional expenditures. UK universities. Postgraduate masters. All subjects, developing countries, Commonwealth countries, Chevening countries, UK. Number 2, Postgraduate Scholarship by Singapore Food Agency SFA. Partial funding, Singapore Food Agency, Postgraduate Agricultural Sciences, Aquaculture, Biological Sciences, Chemistry, Seafood Safety, Food Sciences. Domestic students, Singaporean students, Singapore. Number 3, Japanese Government MEXT Scholarships for Young Leaders Program. Fully funded, Japan Universities, Masters, all subjects, international students, Japan. Number 4, Food Agility CRC Scholarship Ph.D. Federation University Australia. Fully funded, Federation University Australia, Ph.D. Food Sciences Agriculture, domestic students, international students, Australia. Number 5, Fulbright Foreign Student Scholarship Program USA. Fully funded, USA universities, master, Ph.D. all subjects, international students from 155 countries, USA. Benefits of scholarship. Additional experience. Scholarships give you access to more colleges. Scholarships encourage philanthropy. Gives your resume a boost. No need to work. Scholarships help you network. Students that win scholarships can access extensive support. Scholarships make education easier to access.